you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
It's Shakti and welcome to my channel. So like y'all can see, today I have a very special guest with me, and she is Riya from RiyaBeauty.
Hey guys, my name is Riya and I make beauty and makeup related videos, so do check my channel out. I'm sure Shakshi will leave my link in the bottom bar.
Yeah, for sure I'll do that. So our today's video is, we have done room decor and it's all under super affordable budget. Managed to recreate a lot of Tumblr, Pinterest kind of DIYs for our room. Also every DIY is just gonna cost you somewhere around 200 rupees.
And they're all budget friendly, all under Rs.200. So I'm sure you all will be able to create such beautiful DIY room decor stuff.
So if you all want to know how we made all of these cool things under a very affordable budget, then please keep watching. So for the very first DIY, that is this storage box, I collected this box through a PR package. It was a plain box, but you can get these boxes from any local markets and Crawford market for rupees 50 to 100, within that range, because I have seen them personally. And next I am taking this metallic acrylic paint, which you get for rupees 20, and also the paint brush came for rupees 12. So I'm just grabbing that paint and painting the entire box, and it kind of has a copper tint to it and also rose gold, so it has an overall mixture of these colors. This is an optional step. Once I'm done painting the box, I'm just securing the entire paint with some hairspray. You don't have to do this, I'm just doing this additional step. Post which I left the box overnight to dry. To decorate, I am taking this washi tape, which is golden color. You get these designed washi tapes for rupees 10 each. So we are just making stripes on the box to give it some design, and gold is what we wanted to go for. Next, we are taking this mirror craft material which we used to use as a kid. So we are just placing it on the box, first analyzing how we want it to be stuck, and later, once we're sure about how we want it to be stuck, we're grabbing the glue and sticking it on the box. This design somehow reminds me of Navratri, the mirror work and the golden color, and I really like Navratri festival, so it was kind of a unique and a fun design. Finally, this is the end result. The box looks so beautiful and I love the colors and the entire vibe of the box. I personally use it on the table and I fill it up with my everyday things that I use. So the box is very useful and comes in very handy for me. Now for the second DIY, that is this diamond storage cup. This is so easy. We got this done in literally 5 minutes. So all you need for this DIY are these plastic party cups like you see, and you get material which are in the cloth form, which already have a diamond embedded on them. I got this from a tailor nearby and he gave me this pattern for ₹20, and I pretty much got a good quantity. So just measure how much of the cloth you wrap on the cup and then start gluing on the material onto the glass and just cut off the edges, and you have made yourself a very beautiful, dazzling storage cup. I personally use this to store my brushes and it looks so pretty. Now for the last DIY, which is this wall hanging jewelry storage. I don't know what to call it, but basically you all can see what we have made and you all can store your jewelry on it and it looks so pretty. For this DIY, all you need are these candy sticks. Now, we get these in stationery stores. We've used this when we were in schools. So, you just make these crisscross patterns with the stick and make it like in the checkered form and just glue it on like so. Once that is done, we are again grabbing the golden acrylic paint and just paint it on the sticks like so. To match what we've created, grabbing this golden shimmery ribbon, which I again got for 20 rupees from a stationery store. Now we are attaching the ribbon to the sides of the checkered stick material that we've created, and we are double layering so that it's strong enough to hold the earrings. There's just not one layer, there are like good 2 layers which are glued really well so that they are strong enough and have the energy to hold on to the earrings. Then once dried, just hang it on the wall and start filling in your favorite earrings. This works both as a jewelry hanger and also works as a decorative showpiece for your room. Lastly, if you all remember this DIY from my previous video where I made this entire wall decor under ₹500. So for this wall decor, Riya helped me to frame the pictures on the wall, and she also did help me with the butterflies. So here's giving her some credit. If you all want a detailed video of how we got this entire wall done under ₹500, I'm going to leave the link down below in the description box, so do check that out. Hey guys, so those were all of our DIYs that we created under a very affordable budget.
And I had so much fun creating all of these DIYs with Sakshi, and I never knew DIYs could be so easy and so much fun, and I am sure that I'm going to be creating a lot more DIYs for my channel as well. I think we'll collaborate again and probably create something for my room as well, because it's super easy, super affordable and so much fun.
Please don't forget to subscribe to her channel. I am going to link it down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please comment down below, tell me which DIY was your personal favorite.
Also, check out our other video which we did on my channel, that is a blindfold makeup challenge video, which was also super fun to do. So we basically blindfolded ourselves and then we did makeup on each other, and it was sort of a competition, sort of a challenge like thing. So do check that out as well. The link will be in the bottom bar.
I had a lot of fun doing that as well. That was one activity that I am glad I did with her. So yeah, we'll see you all very soon. Bye.